Hello everyone and welcome to Animal Kingdom Lodge. We're going to do a live view of the beautiful Animal Kingdom Lodge lobby. Animal Kingdom Lodge lobby. Hello. Looking inside this place, it is absolutely stunning. One of our favorite resorts here. Here's the main lobby. Let's look at this view. Look at that thatched roof. The chandeliers, they're like spears and if I could get a better view here. Like spears and shields. Hanging down this massive 6-story atrium. On top of each beam, they're like mountain goats or sheep or bison or something. Just absolutely amazing. The big pillars that look like tusks. Got the store. The elevators. You just got a general seating area here. Get the check-in desk, bell services. Got all kinds of things to do in here while you're waiting for your room. There's a TV for the children to sit at. All kinds of lounges, couches, chairs, tables. We'll walk over here. Here's one of the best places to have a drink at the end of the night after a long day in the park. And then down these stairs, Boma. One of the greatest buffets here. They have a breakfast buffet and a dinner buffet. Amazing food. Amazing desserts. One thing I like is you got these little bridges going all over the place in the lobby. I'm still in the lobby, but I'm going over a bridge. And it's to a nice little fire pit at night. We'll go around the atrium here. We'll get a better view of the bar. There's a better view of the bar from down below. Sat there many times. Great way to end the night. Coming from the park, you're all hot and sweaty. You just need to relax, rest your feet before you go to bed, decompress, have a drink. Out these doors here, there's like a little observatory where you can overlook the savannah. Look at that view. At night, they have a fire pit there. You can roast marshmallows. Look at the animals. You can see an animal out there in the distance. Just sitting there relaxing under the shade. Yeah, we recommend when you do stay here to upgrade yourself. You deserve it. Get a savannah room. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Wake up in the morning, have a cup of coffee. Go out on your patio and watch a zebra. Watch a giraffe. Look at this glass archway there. Just out to the savannah. Very beautiful. Fully recommend staying here. We try to stay here once a year of the 5 or 6 trips that we take. Just absolutely beautiful. This walkway up there. It's on the fifth floor. Just walks across the walkway. Very neat. Here's the other end of that grand entranceway. Just beautiful. Well, that's the lobby for today. I appreciate everybody joining. My wife and I are just doing this for fun. We love the likes and love the follows. We appreciate y'all. Thank you. Have a blessed day.